Hey guys, how's it going? It's Kez and I've got something very special on my driveway over there. What the fucking hell was that? Oh, beer bottles scared me. Yeah, on my driveway I've got my new car. No longer got the black one, that's top compound at the moment. That's probably gonna be sold on to someone that I know, but I've got the new one. Let's go see it. The crusty door handle. So, new car. There we go. 1.2 TSI Polo 6R. Not just any old 6R though. It's a Beats edition. Inside's a bit dirty. I have done a journey to Milton Keynes and back for training wise. Turn my sound off before I get copyrighted. Like I said, the inside's a bit dirty because I've actually not been able to clean the inside yet because I've just come home from Milton Keynes yesterday. But nice little Beats edition. From 1.2 TSI, it's got 89 brake or 90 brake, something like that. Under the bonnet, it's nothing special really, it's just a 4-cylinder. It's not very fast, the only good thing it's got, yeah, it's got turbo. Yeah, nothing special under there, is it? So, have I done any mods to the car? Answer is no, not at this moment of time. That will be coming up. I've got plans for the car that will be revealed in the future when we start doing things to it. When the things are available, quite a lot of the parts that I need is unavailable because of COVID, so this is just a quick short video to show you that I've got a new car. More videos to come, so subscribe, like, and go tell your mates, your mum, your dad, your nana, your uncles, your aunties. Tell you the crazy old man on the street as well, like, it's going to be quite interesting.